It's been a great journey working with these Habib graduates, and I think the core reason for that is their ability, their exposure to different disciplines, right? So a design student is exposed to engineering and computer science, and that's the kind of environment we work in here.
At Habib University, we've observed is that these candidates are very well-rounded in terms of knowledge and in terms of their personalities, where these graduates who have come on board at UBL have been performing excellently.
You want a graduate who has exposure to design, to research that comes from the development and policy program, but also a technical understanding. So sure, you're not going to be coding, but you need to understand how code works. You need to understand how APIs function. And so we found that mix in a lot of Habib graduates, that they're able to sort of adapt to this environment and thrive through it.
I feel that this is something that gives them an edge over other university graduates. Habib University is doing a great job.